I'm at the train station in Jaisalmer. The time has come to say goodbye to the beautiful city of Jaisalmer, unfortunately. Only had a couple days here, but now it's time to go back. And that's my train over there. So I gotta go over to the other side of the platform to get the train. Even though the ticket says the train is gonna be at platform number 1, which is here, it's on the other side, and that's exactly what happened last time that I was leaving Jaisalmer. Had the same confusion about the platforms, so this time I knew that the train's gonna be on this side as always. So now begins the grueling 20-hour journey. Yeah, 20 hours on this little train. That is if it is on time, and if there's any sort of delay, I feel like, if I have to guess, I would say it would go to 22 hours. But we'll see. Let's hope it is on time, and I don't have to stay on this train any longer. Hello.
Hello.
So let me go ahead and find my little compartment here. So this is my train. I gotta go find S8. I think this is S3. So all the way back all the way back of the train. But yeah, 20 hours. Here we go. So I'm gonna reach Delhi tomorrow at 9. So let's see how this goes. All right, still trying to find my compartment, but I can't find it. It's S8. I don't see S8 anywhere. I mean, it's ended at S7, and then the AC tier started here. And I went all the way back to the back of the train. Nowhere to be seen. Wow. Okay. Well, now towards the front of this train. Oh my God, it's so cold. My face is frozen. Well, now to the front of the train. Maybe they rearranged the lettering. Here you have S7 right here. And I'm in S8. Let's go find S8. If not, we'll just climb on one of these and yeah, claim one of the seats. I don't know. Is that what I have to do? So now for the grueling 20-hour journey on this train. Oh man. Just thinking about it. All right, let's do it. Let's go in. This is my little compartment here. Let's find our little seat. So it's S8 38. 38. Let's find 38. 30. There we are. That's my seat. Oh, looks like yeah, a lot of dust on my seat. That's what you get for traveling in an Indian train. Yeah. That's me up there. Looks like they've stuck me in a really old and dirty little... How do you turn on the lights? I don't know how you turn this light on. I guess you can't. It's an emergency brake if you're gonna stop. But yeah, the whole thing up there was dirty. I mean, look at all this dust. I have to clean it up myself. They better pay me for that. Where's my paycheck? Alright. Let's sit here for a second. Until I have to go up. And it is an overnight train. I did lose my little fit band that I had. Well, it was getting old and it was time to get a new one anyway. So, have a positive experience. Or make it one. Alright. Alright, so I'm now up in my seat. Still nobody here. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna start off my little journey here with a little rest because it's 1 a.m. in the morning, and what else am I gonna do on the train, on an empty train to Delhi? All right, so I'm gonna try and get some sleep, and I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow morning while we figure out how to get a bottle of water and not be dehydrated in the morning, you know? All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. 10 hours in, halfway through the journey. Spent most of it sleeping. I just woke up in the morning, and a lot more people on the train now. It's not empty anymore, so we got a loud bunch right next to me, and they're going to Delhi, so we got to put up with that for the rest of the 10 hours. Let's see how that goes. Alright, we're stopped at a station. Let's see what it's like. I think it's Ajmer, near Pushkar. Ajmer Junction. Man, I'm glad I spent most of the journey sleeping, but now I gotta be up for the next 10 hours. Passing through Ajmer. Here comes another train. Going through the hills of Pushkar. I think we already passed Pushkar. But yeah. Well, the people next to me have seemed to calm down a little bit. They were pretty noisy all night long, so yeah. But, you know, it's a part of the journey, I guess. I'm not complaining. They're having a good time. It's a bunch of friends, I guess, who were also in Jaisalmer or wherever the hell they came from. I don't think they were from Jaisalmer. They got on after we moved from Jaisalmer, so. Jaipur. Chaos. Let's get a water bottle because I don't have one. $20? Puri sabji order, puri sabji order, puri sabji order. Damn it, I can't hold it all. Can I come in? Alright, this is breakfast. about another 5 or 6 hours to go to Delhi. The train is a little bit delayed, 20 minutes, not much. You know, 6 more hours. Alright, that's it. We have arrived in Delhi, finally. 20 grueling hours on this train. Man, it was not fun. I mean, yeah. This man in the green sleeping bag slept the entire way through. I mean, he was in his bag for 20 hours. I don't know how he did that, but yeah, that's how it was. So the train's still here. I guess it's delayed by 30 minutes or so. But yeah, I'm glad to be out of that, out of this train. I was in there for almost a day, so 20 hours, not a joke. All right, Delhi's cold. It's chillier than when I left. All right, it's time to get out of here and get an Uber, get home, and just chill out.